20 kW potential. And in this situation, whoever installed this originally, this is by the way, this is a salvage unit that we brought into the shop to use for training and demo purposes. So we took this out of somebody's house in a working condition actually, but there were some problems with the outdoor section of the heat pump. But anyway, long story short, whoever installed this, I noticed they disabled one of the strips of heat. So we're gonna, in a later video, troubleshoot that and find out why they did that. But I also noticed that in some of their low voltage connections from the thermostat, the jumper 1, 2, and 3 for electric heat to all come on at the same time. But as I was looking at here, the W3 circuit doesn't even exist. It comes to the Molex plug on this side, but doesn't exist on the other side. So this wire's irrelevant because of that. Anyway, that's enough for this video. Just want to introduce you to ladder diagrams and their importance when it comes to troubleshooting in any situation in the HVAC business. Thank you for joining us. Please come back and see us again on another electrical or some other sort of HVAC adventure that has to do with what we do best, heating and cooling. Thank you.